smoking weed, you hoe. Smoking weed, can't you see? Smoking weed, can't you see? I'm just smoking weed, can't you see? I'm just smoking weed. I do as I want and I do as I please. Chill with my nigga Rob Max and we smoking weed. Everybody wanna say what up, bro, what you doing? I'm just chilling at the stool and I'm whipping it. Collecting all the cream, I'm dissing all your family. And you try to come at me, but then reluctantly you get shot in the block and you don't say shit. Cause you know that nigga's emptied out a whole clip. Dead people can't speak, but I can hear all you say when we meet. Even though I murked you 3 times on the street, you already know Acid Rabbit murder beats. But I'm just chilling with my niggas dropping heat. Give you 3rd-degree burns in your ear when you put it on repeat. The nigga when he spit bars and get angry, got a vein in his neck, my nigga, but I'm not hungry. I just eat honey buns and the ramen noodles. I just chill with your bitches, I don't fuck with poodles. I just chill with my niggas that can stab me in the back. I got the shotty on my lap, and if I ever lack, you gon' get tight at me because I was fucking slacking. But you in the back, you napping, and I'm just taking all your cash. You're getting robbed, you're super sad, but it's okay, nigga, pull up your phone and call your dad. Cause I'll shoot that nigga too, I got the burner. Everybody thinking that I'm crazy, I'm a farmer. But I'm just chilling over here, I got my fucking armor. Cause I get hurt too, nigga, I'm a fucking farmer. Profit on my butt, feeling super good. Fucking always, man, la.
So what you do,
What you do, nigga?
Niggas wanna know how we get up on the head. What you say, niggas wanna know about the game. What you doing, what you say, what you doing about the game. They past me now, I'm getting big now. Taking my team for me right now. With the mind you, I don't know, you a shoot. What the ones do to me, what the team do. Get us to the shoot, civil money, free to impact. You know, instead ways, yeah, I'm in the scratch. Yeah, getting happy. Couple blunts rolled up happy. Niggas don't know where they call me Uncle Vito. Uncle Vito with the G's on the Cheetos. Oh, with the G's on the Cheetos. Yeah, with the G's on the Cheetos. With a little weed in the head though. And I hold the extent though. I got the pop rolled up the both ends though. No.
Can't you see? I'm just smoking some weed. Can't you see? I'm just smoking weed, can't you see? I'm just smoking weed, can't you see? I'm just smoking weed, can't you see? I'm just smoking weed.